Hey guys, welcome back to the course. In the last video, we had work on this like screen. Okay, and let me show you if there's data, so it will show that list of images. And also we had work on this basically discover screen, which is really looking great. And after that, we had work also on this home screen. And in this video, we are targeting that this screen. Let me show you. So as you know that we have to also work on the backend side, but currently I'm just started focusing on this all the functionality like download image functionality. So whenever the user click on download, the user will show this kind of dialog downloading image, and along with a percentage, please wait while you will download your image. Okay, and once the image get downloaded, the pop-up will the dialog will get closed. Okay, so mainly if I talk about, so we are going to work on this download functionality, which is like really gonna be a great learning for that. So to implement the download image functionality, what we are going to do, so let me give you the data flow, like how the data flow is happening for now. So we are going to the home screen. So inside this home screen, we are having a just rendering one component that is called image card component. Okay, and inside this image card component, we are passing the image URL and the prompt, and we are utilizing this image card component to every places. Awesome. Now let's go to the image card component, and here we are having a download outline icon. Okay, and whenever user will click on this download, this is here we have to add a download functionalities. Okay, and this is the image card component which we are using on the discover screen and also on the like screen. Perfect. Now in this video we are going to work on this download image functionality. All right, so let's do that. So before starting with your download functionality, there is one model which we have to create. This is a model which we have to create download image. Okay, so let's do that quickly. And once we create this model, we will start implementing the functionality part. Okay, so for that, after this touchable this is a button container. So let me collapse this, and after this button container, here I'm going to write a model container code, model container. Okay, and inside here we're going to import the model. The model I'm going to import from the React Native. As you can see that I import the model from the React Native. Okay, and okay, so I imported the model from the React Native, and I just close it like this. You can close it like this, and inside this model we're gonna have a view. Okay, we do undo. Okay, my bad. Okay, let me delete it again. Why I'm doing a lot of typos. God. Okay, I just deleted it, and I'm gonna add a model, and inside this model we're gonna add a view. Okay, and inside this we're gonna do all this stuff. Okay, and let me add some properties quickly here, and before that let me reload that. Why it's not showing that? Okay, and inside this model, if you can see that the model has taken the whole width. Okay, so I'm going to add a property called transparent as a true. Okay, transparent as a true, and I'm going to add an animation type. The animation type will be fade for now, and after that the next thing which I'm going to do, visibility functionality. Visible will be for now. Let me make it false for now. So I just make it false, and is it still not showing? That's weird. Why the app is not? Okay, let me comment this model code for now. Okay, I just comment the code, and why the emulators get blank. Okay, let me open my emulator. I think there is some issue happening with my emulator. So I'm just opening it, reopening it kind of, and let me install the app meanwhile. So yeah, let's meanwhile the app has been installing. Let's go ahead with the functionalities for now. So I'm gonna uncomment this code, and here in the model view I just make it false, and inside this we're gonna add a one view. Inside this view we're gonna have a progress container. Okay, so I'm gonna have a view, and inside this we're gonna have a text. The text will be what? Basically a downloading image, image, and okay, let's our app has been installing meanwhile, And let's apply some property as well. So we're gonna have a style, and we're gonna apply a like overlay to there, style dot overlay. Okay, and after that, why this is weird, bro? Okay, now it's awesome. Now we can see our app. I don't know why it's click blank. I just reload my app. Okay, I just make it model as true for now. Let me show you how it's look like if I make the model as a true. So now I make the model as a true. Okay, and I can't see any changes right now. Okay, let me reload that and let's see. Do we get any changes? Oh, that's not. Okay, we can't see any changes because I make a transparent as a true. Let me make a transparent as a false for now. Okay, now you can see that. Now you can see the download image text. So I'm going to make a transparent as a true and visible property as a true. Okay, so now you see that download image text is there on the top. Okay, and after that, once we add a download image text, okay, this is called overlay property, and inside this view, next view, we're gonna have a style, and we're gonna call this styles dot progress container. Okay, and after that, we're gonna have another text view that is called progress title. Style is equal to styles dot progress title. We're gonna call this progress title, and after that we're gonna have another text, okay, which is responsible for progress text, maybe of 50% or 20%. So we're gonna call this style is equal to styles dot progress text. Okay, and after that we're gonna have a progress description as well. So we're gonna have a text, and we're gonna call this progress description. Style is equal to styles dot progress description. Okay, and we're gonna call that please wait while we downloading your image. Awesome. Now after this text, we're gonna have another view. Okay, and we're gonna call this this one. Let me show you on the Figma. So this is the progress, this is the progress which we have to also work on, and we're gonna call this view, and inside this view we're gonna call this style. Style is equal to styles dot progress bar container. Okay, and after this we're gonna call this as a view again, and we're gonna call this style is equal to, okay, and for this style we're gonna have a styles dot progress bar, and after that we're gonna have a dynamic width as well. So width, and we're gonna have this dynamic width. So it could be like, we're gonna have a one variable, but for now I'm just make a static value. So it's going to be like 10, 20. Let me make it 50% and 50% kind of. Width will be 20% or 50%. For now, I just make it 20%. Okay. Now what we had done so far, we had just written the HTML, but we can't see any changes, right? We can't see anything on the UI. There we can see some text. So first of all, what I had done, I make a model and transparent as a true, animation type fade, and visible property is a true for now. And we had overlay, progress container, progress title, progress text, description, and progress bar container. Okay. Now the next thing which we have to do, that is called styling. Okay. So let me add some styling for this quickly. So first of all, we're gonna add a styling for the overlay. Okay. So let's add a overlay styling here. So I scroll down and add a property called overlay. Okay. And I'm gonna add a flex as a 1. Okay. And justify content as a center. After that, I'm gonna add a align items center. After that, I'm gonna add a background color. The background color will be this one, RGBA color, and the first background is called 0, 0, 0, 0.7, or basically a light background color, this kind of. Okay, and after this overlay, we're gonna have another property that is called progress container. Okay, so let's add a progress container like this, and we're gonna call this width. Okay, not progress container. Which one is the next? Yeah, progress container Okay, so I just copy this progress container and we're gonna add a width. Width will be what? I just make the width as a 80%, so it looks kind of center. Okay. And the background color for this, the background color will be I'm gonna make maybe a something like this. Let me show you. I think this looks good. Yeah. After that, we're gonna apply a padding of 20, and border radius of 10. Border radius of 10 and align items center. Align items center. Okay. And after this, once we are done with this, let's style this progress bar, and we're gonna call this height as a 10. Okay. Background color as a maybe something like this, 76C and 76C and I think 7C0. Okay, this is a progress bar background color. And after this, we're gonna have a border radius 8, border radius of 5. Okay, and after that, we're gonna have a progress bar. Oh my bad. After this progress bar, we're gonna have a progress title. So let's copy this progress title name. So I just copy this progress title, and here we're gonna add this progress title, and here we're gonna add a font size of 18, and the color will be white. Let's add a color as a white, and we're gonna add a font family of bold. Font family dot bold. Okay. And margin bottom will be 10. I think we are able to see some good stuff on there. After this, downloading image, text like progress title, we're gonna have a next thing that is called progress text. So let's add a progress text one as well. We're gonna have a font size of 24. We're gonna have a color as a white. Okay, and the font family will be what? Bold one again. And let's check it out. All right, and this is looking crazy. I think margin bottom I'm gonna give as a 10. Okay, and yeah, this looks crazy. After this progress text, we're gonna have to design the next stuff, which is called progress description. So let me copy the progress description, and after this, we're gonna design this font size as a 14. Okay, and the color will be white. So let's add a color as a white, and after this we're gonna apply a font family as well. The font family will be a regular one. So yeah, regular font family, and text align will be center. Okay, and margin top will be 10. So I apply this margin top as a 10. Now we are done with this as well. The next stuff which we have to design, this is called progress bar container. So let's add this as well, progress bar container, and we're gonna call this width as a 100%. Okay, and after that, height will be what? Height will be 10, and background color will be what you can have, like maybe this background color 444. Okay, and after this we can have a border radius of 5, and margin top will be 10. Okay, and this is looking, guys, crazy. Like, you know, it's so really straightforward, and but this is looking crazy. What do you think, guys? So I think this is looking crazy. Awesome. Now once we are done with this, let me show you the Figma, how it's looking like this. Yeah, exactly the way we were expected, that it's looking same way. So yeah, we are having download image container. So whenever okay, let me show you what we had done. So we're gonna have a property. So whenever the download gets started, we're gonna make as a visible as a true, and once the download get completed, it will get closed. Okay, so let me explain you guys. So for what we had done inside this, inside this code base, inside this image card component, we create a model. We import a model component. We import a model from the React Native. After that, we make as transparent as a true, animation type fade. After that, we apply overlay property on the background side, and after that we start working on this progress container. So we apply some progress container. Inside this progress container, we are having a progress title, progress text, progress description, and progress bar container. Okay, and after that, if I show you action button, so here we are having overlay. So I apply the flex one, justify content center, align until center, and the light black background. We are having a progress container. This is a progress container. I'm applying as a width 80% and some background color, and along with the padding as well. Okay, and I apply border radius, align item center. So all the items will be inside the center, and the progress bar. This is the progress bar. Height as a 10, background color is this one, and border radius of 5. Okay, and back progress title, we apply progress title as well. This is the progress title, and progress text, and project progress description, and progress bar container. So this is the progress bar container where we have defined this basically a background color. Okay, so yeah, so far we had done with this, and if we make it visibility is a false, so it will get removed from the UI. Okay, so in this video we are I was thinking to work on the complete functionality, but in this video we had just work on this download image model. Okay, download image model. So let me copy this again and let's add it. In the 10th video we had added the download progress model. Okay, progress model. So in the next video we gonna work on this download functionalities. All right, so if you guys face any issue while doing this, you can book a top meet with me. And also, if you are new to our channel or like our course, so please visit 0decoder.in. Here you will see a list of courses. Like if you wanted to learn how to build music player application, like production ready and publishing on the Play Store, it's the perfect course for you guys if you're a beginner. Okay, so please watch it and let me know guys if you have any questions. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. Thank you. We'll catch up in the next video. Bye.